Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic is how can we subscribe and listen to platform events from ARA component. Before we are going to discuss everything practically, so let's see this how we can protect ourselves from coronavirus with basic protective measures. Please stay aware of the latest information on COVID-19 outbreak from World Health Organization website. Wash your hands frequently. Maintain social distance. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Practice respiratory hygiene. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. Stay informed and follow advice given by your healthcare provider. Please go through WHO site for more information. Okay, so now let's step into our class. What we are going to discuss. So before we are going to discuss how to subscribe and listen platform event in Lightning Aura component, let's begin this by publishing a platform event using process builder. Okay, so let's start this. So here, if you see here, I already created account creation platform event. It looks like a normal object, okay, but it's a special kind of object. And here I created one custom field also. Okay, and now let's publish through process builder. How you can publish? Publishing means you are going to create a platform event, a record from process builder. Okay, let's see. Click on process builder. Now I want to publish a platform event whenever an account is created with agriculture. Okay, if account industry is agriculture, then I want to publish my platform event. Okay, let me create a process builder, publish account creation event. Okay, there is no any difference how we do for creating normal records, and add object here account, because whenever an object whenever a record is created in account object, okay, with industry as agriculture, then I want to publish an event. Only when a record is created. Now criteria name publish. No, criteria is industry agriculture, and here industry, so equals pick list agriculture. So I'm just defining the criteria when I want to publish the event. Now I just defined the criteria. Now I'm going to add the action for creating our platform event. Whenever you're creating event, that means you are publishing that event when agricultural account record is created. Now here create record as usual, publish account creation event, record type account creation event. So while I am publishing event, I want to hold account name in my custom field in account creation event. So account name, field reference, name, choose save. Now what I did, I created or I'm creating a platform event record whenever an agricultural account is created. Okay, that means you are publishing the platform event whenever industry agricultural account record is created, activating. So you can't see this platform event records, or you can't delete or update from user interface. Now we have successfully published or we have successfully set up the process builder to publish your platform event whenever an account is created. Now let's begin our show. So first thing is, I am creating a component, lightning component. So let's go this lightning component. Here account notification component. This is my component name, or you can say account notifications. And I want to create a tab for this account notification component. So I just check this checkbox. Now what I have to do, I should be able to subscribe, okay, my platform event from lightning or a component. For that, what we have to do, let's go through this. Okay, here we completed publishing part and subscribing. For that, what we have to, we have to include lightning EMP API component in your Aura component. Okay, it supports channels for platform events, push topic events, and generic events and change data capture events also. And it uses a shared community connection. Okay, so it supports subscribing to a streaming channel and listening to event messages. The thing is, whenever you want to subscribe from lightning aura component, you just need to include this component, and you have to use the methods of this component, subscribe or unsubscribing your channels, okay, of push topic events or platform events or generic events or change data capture events. Right now in our example, we are going to subscribe to platform event channel. Okay, now let's go through that. First thing is, what we have to do, we have to insert, or we have to include this EMP API component, and you just need to assign Aura ID attribute. So here I just gave Aura ID as EMP API. Now let's go to controller, create, subscribe. First thing is, let's create few attributes. Okay, one is for holding the notification, another one is for defining or deciding whether event received or not. It's just a boolean attribute. And another handler. So this is init handler. I want to call this our subscribe method whenever component loaded. So for that I used handler, init handler here. Okay, now after that, what I am doing, so I am simply using card, lightning card component for just designing our user interface. and then Aura if statement. If event is received, then only I want to show our account names whenever platform event is published through our process builder. And so I'm just designing the user interface only, UI. Done. Now using Aura iteration to go through all notifications. Here notifications is the list where we are going to hold the information from platform event and display the same here. Okay, done. Now we have completed user interface design in the component. Now let's go to controller to subscribe our platform event. So let's go step by step. First thing is, whenever component loaded, I just initialize empty array component dot set of v dot notifications empty array. Now get the EMP API component to your JavaScript controller by using Aura ID. Then the next step is get the channel from our platform event. What is our event name? Let's double check here. So this is the platform event name. So that is okay. So let me go through the platform events. So your platform event name is account creation name. Simply account creation event. So your channel name for your platform event, you have to define like the slash event slash your platform event name. Okay, now what we have to do, the next step is you just need to define a replay ID here to get new events also. If you have multiple events or one event, whatever it may be, you need to define this replay ID as -1, then it is ready to get new events. Now let's begin our subscription to our event. Subscribe to our platform event. So what we have to do here, simply take this and here one is the parameter, the first parameter is channel name, another one is replay ID, the third parameter is get callback. From this get callback method, you will receive an event. Okay, the event message you will receive. Okay, this will have your event message from your platform event. So how can you get that event message from this? Okay, you just need to use event received whatever you have here, and then data property dot payload property. Okay, this payload contains all the fields what you define in your platform event with the data when it is published. So for now, what all the fields you have on your platform event? You have account name custom field only, right? To get that account name, you just need to use event received whatever you defined here from get callback and dot data dot payload, and then you can access all the fields from your platform event. Okay, if you have other fields also, you can access. This is how you can do. And now you have notifications. You can get the you have notifications attribute. For your notification, you are just adding your account name here from event received. Okay, now you are setting that notifications to your notifications attribute. This is how you can set. After that, what is there? Then once it is completed, then you can do this. So whenever you want to unsubscribe later, you can use this block, okay, to hold the subscription. Okay, whatever it is, whatever you subscribed and you have the confirmation from here, if it is confirmed without errors, you can hold that subscription to your attribute subscription. Okay, so this is how we can. So for now, we don't need to hold also, because we are not unsubscribing anywhere in this component. This is how we can subscribe to a platform component. I am removing all these things. Don't get confused. Done. Now we are ready to create a tab for this component. Let's create a tab for this. So where we can create a tab, let's go to setup, tab, click on tab, lightning component tabs. So what is this? Account notifications. So I created. Now let's go to our apps, my demo application. And let's add our tab also. What is our tab name? Account notifications. Simply. So I'm here. So I'm going to reorder this. So I'm just reordering the tabs. Now same way I am moving to moving accounts tab also, nothing else, same. Okay, now let's create. So now in new tabs, so in different tabs I have account notification opened and accounts opened. Now I am going to create an account Sarayu Foundation and industry agriculture. Save. Now let's come here. It has to notify here. Why it is not notifying? Let's see. Whether we are receiving or not. Event received, right? And then okay, let me see once. Subscribe to channel account creation. So did I activate? Yes, I activated. It's happening. And process builders, let's see once again. So publish account event. No, it's not mine. So let's go to our process builder, whether it is active or not. First of all, publish account event. Yes, it is correct. Agricultural. Okay, platform event. Yes. Now let's try to create one more account. Industry agriculture. Save. Now let's try to see. Yes, and I'm getting foundation and all. Okay, so here I have to do one more thing. We have to make this true, right? Because after receiving the notification, I want to make this boolean as true. Simply, that is what we are missing. Component dot set off. So we don't have any problem. We missed this. So you have to show notifications, right? Done. Now let's see. If you see here, as I told you, payload. In payload, you will have created by ID, created date, and your custom fields. Okay. So with payload, you can display the data. I'm just reloading this now. So now I'm going to create one more account. Okay, Navashi Foundation 1. Let's see, industry, agriculture, save. See, it came automatic. I didn't refresh anything. It came automatically because I am publishing this platform event whenever an account with the industry as agriculture, I'm publishing this event. So our component is able to listen that event by subscribing and displaying here simply. Now, if I create another account, let's see, without agriculture, Mhm. Test foundation, and see, I'm not selecting, or you can select anything, industry apparel here, save. So it should not be notified here. See, nothing is notified. So only Navarshi Foundation 1 is there. Now let's go to uh, accounts tab and create one more account with agriculture. Okay, creative foundation, agriculture, yes, save. So let's see. See, creative foundation came here. This is how you can get the real-time notification from platform event by subscribing and listening to that events. Okay, so you please go through references also once, and you can have other information also, like what is platform event, what kind of things going on behind the platform events, all the things you can go through that through this reference links. All the best. Please subscribe to our Salesforce Textbook channel and share with your friends if it is helpful, if you feel it is helpful to you. Okay, cool. All the best.